Hi guys, I just wanted to check in with a 24-hour later case study of an emotional education lesson 1. If you will remember, we spoke about how silence is your ticket, you're out of hell, which are negative emotions of any kind. And then I asked you to spend some time, okay, my cat really wants some caresses, spend some time in freedom, abundance, and health. So I'd like to report my own personal results 24 hours after I watched the video that I posted, premiered on YouTube on March 10th at 1600 hours, which is 4 p.m. London time. As far as freedom is concerned, it's a sense of possibility. So I woke up, and before I mention freedom, I'd like to mention health, because health has been my primary concern lately, living just because of the energies in London right now. Everybody's concerned about their health. So what occurred to me is my body suddenly found itself craving a concoction of peeled and diced apples, lemon juice, just squeezed fresh lemon juice, and sugar. Coconut sugar. And I left that overnight and made a smoothie out of it this morning with some kiwis. So that gave me a lot of energy to go out this morning. This is where abundance comes in. And I found and bought these headphones to help me serve you better, just because I noticed the quality of the audio was coming and going. So now that it should be fine. And which brings me to freedom. I am beginning to get glimpses of a sense of plenitude, just this sensation of all my needs are easily met. And that's what I wanted to report to you today, you guys and girls, women and men, ladies and gentlemen, however you label yourself. Please do subscribe to my course and report your case studies. I'd love to hear how it plays out in your fields. I have a theory that we're all unique, and the idea is that this will play out uniquely, perfectly for you, based on what you're doing with your life right now. So I'd love to hear how this works out for you. Please let me know in the comments. Much love. Sabina.